everyone, welcome back to the Java Beginner course by Life Changes Academy. In the previous video, we learned about data operators and as well as the user input, right? Now we are going to learn about conditional statements in Java. Okay, what is conditional statement means? It helps the program to make the decisions, okay? Just like humans make decisions every day. Likewise, programs also need to decide what action to do based on the different kinds of situations. Okay, without any delay, we are going to start this session right now. Okay, first of all, we are going to see what are conditional statements. Okay, imagine you are trying to log in into Instagram. If the password is correct means login successful, or else if the password or username is wrong means login fails, right? That's how the system is making the decision, right? So okay, Java also uses conditional statements to check whether a condition is true or else the condition is false. Okay, some real world example is age verifications, or else login system, or else another one is the ATM pin verification. Okay, this is also a nice example. ATM pin is wrong means the page does not goes to the next page. Okay, this is also an important example. Okay, in the see the image in the screen here, the condition, this will be the condition. Okay, if the condition is true means the block will execute, or else if the condition is false means it will skip the current iteration and go back to the condition. Okay, this is how the conditional statements works. Okay, next we are going to see why do we need conditions. Okay, why do we need conditions? Without conditions, okay, first without condition, a program simply executes every line one after another. It doesn't think, it doesn't react, it simply executes. But with conditions, the program can choose the correct path. For example, see this example. Okay, if the age is greater than or equal to 18, we can declare the age will be 20. Okay, age is equals 20. If the age is greater than or equal to 18 means the person is eligible, or else the person is not eligible. Okay, it will check the condition first. Okay, it will check the condition. If the condition is true means only the block executes, otherwise it skips the block. Okay, this is how the condition works. Okay, we will execute this one in a practical experience so that you guys know how to identify this one. Okay, I will open this. I'll create a new file in the source. Okay, Java class and then condition dot Java. The condition.java, I will write first int age is equal to 20. Okay, if age is greater than or equal to 18 means person is eligible. Okay, the person is eligible, or else person is not eligible. Okay, so when we run the code, it will check the condition first. What is the condition? Age is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, the age will be greater, so the person is eligible. When I reduce the age of the person means it will say that the person is not eligible. Okay, this is how the program works. This is the if condition, this is the else block. If the condition true means this block will be executed, if the condition false means the else block will be executed. This is how the if else statement works. Okay, next we are going to see if statement. Okay, next we are going to see if statement. Now only see if statement. Okay, the condition true means this block executed, otherwise the next block will be executed. So if block is executed whenever the condition is true. keep it in your mind like that. Okay, so I say one real time explanation so that you will keep it in your mind always. Think about a movie theater. Okay, if your ticket is valid, security allow you to inside, otherwise nothing happens, right? That's exactly how an if statement works. Okay, keep it in mind this example so that you will never forget the if statement. Okay, next, program flow of if statement. Whenever Java reaches an if statement, it asks one question: is the condition true? If yes, executes the block. If no, skips the condition with the next line of code. No error occurs. Okay, Java simply ignores the block. If the if condition is false, means it doesn't show any error. It will execute the else block. Okay, that is the program flow of the if statement. Okay, so and then next one is if else statement. Till now we are seeing if statement. Now if else statement. If the if condition is true, means the block will execute. Otherwise the false path will be the else condition. The if condition means the true block. The else condition means the false block. That's the main thing you want to keep in your mind. Okay, the true path will be if condition and the false path will be else condition. Okay, only one action happens. Okay, for real time example is if it is rains, take an umbrella, else go without an umbrella. Only one action happen. If it is rain, means take an umbrella, or else go without an umbrella. Okay, this example is the best example for if else statement. And then we are going to see real world example. Okay, voting eligibility. Okay, this is the simple code I will given in this real-time example so that you will understand this concept completely clear. For that only I am using this example. Okay, this is very common example. Okay, we take. Wait, I will open my code so that only you will understand very clearly this concept. Okay, so in that one, see if the voting eligibility. You all know if the age is 18 or above, we can vote. Otherwise, we can't vote. Okay. That's the condition here. First, we are creating a new scanner object. This is a new scanner object. We already see the scanner right now as system.in means what the user enter, that will be stored in this system.in. Okay, so first we have to enter your age. User will enter enter their age. Okay, the age will be in the integer. What kind of data type age is integer? When you are using a double, means in next double, sc dot next double. Likewise, you have to change this one. These are the methods. This is scanner method. Next int will be the scanner method. Okay, so the condition if age is greater than or equal to 18 means can vote, or else cannot vote. Okay, when I run this code, what happened means the user want to enter their age, but my age is 20, means I am capable to vote. Okay, or else my age is 17, or else my age is 17 means the user age will be 17 means they cannot capable for voting. So this is how the system, the conditional if condition else condition works. Okay, okay, these are the main thing in if else. The example is voting eligibility. Okay, next we are going to see another concept. Okay, that is else if ladder. Okay, else if ladder is a main thing. This is also like if else condition. When we what if we have more than two conditions? For example, grading students. Okay, 90 and above means A grade, 75 and above means B grade, 60 and above means C grade, below 60 means fail. In such cases, we use else if. Okay, Java checks the condition one by one from top to bottom. Okay, as soon as it finds a matching condition, it stops checking the rest. Okay, This is how the ELSIF ladder works. See, if the mark is greater than or equal to 90 means it will print A grade, B grade, C grade. It checks the multiple condition. It checks the multiple condition and it decides which one should be executed. Okay. So for a real-time example I give for this ELSIF ladder. Thinking of standing in a queue. Okay, the security check people one after another. Once your identity is verified, he stops checking further. That's how this ELSIF ladder works. Okay. So keep it in your mind, the real time example, so that another time you, somebody is asking what does ELSIF ladder means, you will go through the example and say that real time gone through the real time example, and you make explain easily. Okay, the A grade means marks greater than 90, B grade, C grade, otherwise all other fail. Okay, this is how ELSIF ladder works. Okay, and then now we are going to see nested if and switch statement. This is one of the main statements. Okay, nested if means if statement inside another if statement. Okay, if statement inside another if statement is the nested if. Example, see here, first you have to check the age. Okay, check the age, then check whether the person has ID card. Okay, first you have to check the age and then you have to check the ID card. Okay, and then you have to print allowed. Okay, if both conditions are true, access is guaranteed. Okay, for example, if you enter an exam hall, you must be 18 plus, you must carry your hall ticket. Both condition must be satisfied. Okay, instead it means you have to satisfy all the conditions. Okay, for example, if you enter your exam hall means you have to 18 plus and you must carry your hall ticket. Okay, the switch statement. What is switch statement? When we have many fixed options, writing long else if chains becomes difficult. In such cases we use switch. Okay, see here, switch of day. Case 1 Monday, case 2 Tuesday, and default others. Switch directly jumps to the matching case. Okay, this makes code cleaner and easier to read. Okay, so thinking about pressing a button in a lift. Press 1 means first floor. Second means second floor. The lift directly performs the matching actions. Okay. So this is the switch statement. Case 1 Monday. So switch off days. This is how the switch statement works. Okay. Then how if else if nested if switch statement works. These are the things we are learning today. Yes. So keep learning. Keep repeating, do programs manually, so that only you understand these concepts easily. Just watching this video nothing happens, so you have to manually code, what I will give the examples, right? I will give each statement, I will give examples. You guys are make efforts to run this program in your PC, and you have to practice, daily practice only. You have to learn these Java course complete. Okay, so you have to practice daily and you have to learn all these concepts. Okay, I will give example for each and every concept. I will give also a real-time example also, so you have easily understand. Every smart program starts with decision. Okay, this is the every smart program starts with a decision. We will see conditional statements, right? Yes. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing with the Life Changes Academy. See you in the next video. Thank you.